I think we live in a type of world now where everybody is so headstrong on keeping their beliefs and not really trying to understand other people and other points of views, that we can kind of become kind of tribal.
Now I don't think there are impossible conversations, but I used to believe that there were impossible conversations.
You think that happens still today in 2024, that like we make unpopular views a crime?
The political polarization right now can be really hard in schools because often the anger and the rhetoric that is outside the walls of the school are coming in to the walls of the school.
And when 2016 happened, the world just kind of like transformed.
We have turned politics into a kind of blood sport.
I have encountered like situations where there's dissenting opinions, especially when it's an election year. That's a rough time to be a social studies teacher, to be honest.
I think growing up, a lot of kids kind of just go with what their parents say.
Even my mom, who we would used to be coming in screaming matches, like now we will actually sit down and talk about it and she will understand what I'm saying.
I love to say that what we need more of is informed free speech. And so free speech is definitely where many people go, but informed free speech has even greater value.